Wake up, sleepy dog. Time for work. Starting the day with a proper breakfast. Alright, we're looking to take off the door panels so we can upholster them. So we have Captain Deuce overseeing the work. See if we can take these off real fast. There we go, that's one down. Good job. Alright, that one's done. Hold up. One more door. There we go, there's that one. Alright, now we got our door cards off. We got to make them. That's the next step. That's a long process. Alright, you ready to start? But first, off to see the toe chopper. Get your toes chopped. Alright, did you get your toes chopped? Was it horrible? Huh? Yeah, it happens. Alright, you ready to go?
Hi, right.
There we go. Alright, this is a pretty simple process. You lay out your vinyl, cut it, spray it, put it on your panel. Then you chop all your corners into little triangles, and then you spray it some more, and you fold your triangles over, and ta-da, you have an upholstered panel. Pretty simple.
Oh, that means all the footage is shaky anyway.
Sorry. Well, put it on speed.
Put it on speed, huh?
Yeah, don't need speed.
That side looks like the one that needs the extra glue. Yep.
I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that.
Mm-hmm.
Good to me.
Can bring it into the light.
Alright, we have a problem with this one. We can't reuse it. See, it's all tore up on that corner there. So, we got to cut a new one. Alright, little movie magic, and we have a new panel. Ta-da! Now we got to cover this one. So let's start that process. use movie magic for this one and be like, ta-da. Last one's done. Alright, we got a headliner to do, so we're going to do some more of that. Oh, I guess this one needs more magic. This one's a little tougher. We can get all the way there. Alright, you ready? Abracadooce. And there you go. Now we have a headliner too. Now we head off for more supplies. When you got to go to Home Depot and you don't have a truck. Home Depot run. Yay, it all fits. It's a little snowy today. We're going to try to put these door panels back in for you. Let's see if we can do that real quick. There's another one. 1, 3, and 4. And there's our, still got to do the bottom pieces, but there's our passenger door. And there's the finished driver's side door. We just got to do the bottom piece for that too. I just haven't gotten to that part. That's it for the snowy day.